The global currency shift, from dollar dominance to multipolar resurgence. Introduction. For decades, the US dollar has held a position of unparalleled dominance as the global reserve currency. This supremacy has been rooted in the economic strength of the United States, the robustness of its financial systems, and the widespread acceptance of the dollar for international trade and investment. However, the global financial landscape is shifting, driven by the rise of BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, and their increasing push towards de-dollarization. The rise of local currencies. BRICS countries, accounting for a substantial portion of the world's population and economic activity, are at the forefront of the movement to reduce reliance on the US dollar. A notable example is the agreement between India and Russia to establish a new payment system, bypassing the US dollar-dominated SWIFT network. This development signifies a broader trend of nations exploring alternatives to the greenback. China's economic surge and technological advancements have further catalyzed the de-dollarization movement. The country's ambitious project to develop a central bank digital currency, CBDC, holds the potential to revolutionize cross-border payments and reduce the dollar's role in global trade. If China's digital currency gains traction, it could significantly challenge the dominance of the US dollar, particularly in regions with strong economic ties to China. Economic comparisons. Comparing the economic growth rates of BRICS countries with those of Western nations reveals a significant divergence. While the US and Europe grapple with slow growth and rising debt, BRICS nations, especially China and India, are experiencing robust economic expansion. This shift in economic power could undermine the appeal of the US dollar as a safe haven asset. Relevant data and figures. Share of the US dollar in global foreign exchange reserves. As of the latest data, the US dollar accounts for approximately 59% of global foreign exchange reserves, down from 66% 2 decades ago. Economic growth rates, 2023. China, 5.1%, India, 6.8%, US, 2.2%, EU, 1.8%. Volume of trade conducted in non-dollar currencies. The volume of trade conducted in currencies other than the US dollar has been steadily increasing, with the Chinese yuan now accounting for around 2.7% of global payments. Progress of China's CBDC development. China's digital yuan has completed several successful trials and is being used in various regions, with plans for further expansion. US-China relations and tariffs. The economic rivalry between the US and China has also played a role in weakening the dollar's position. US tariffs on Chinese goods have disrupted global supply chains and created uncertainty in the international market. In response, countries are diversifying their currency holdings to mitigate exposure to such trade disputes, reducing the demand for US dollars. While the decline of the US dollar's dominance is not imminent, the outlined trends suggest a gradual erosion of its supremacy. The rise of local currencies and the growing influence of BRICS nations are reshaping the global monetary landscape. As the world moves towards a multipolar currency order, it is likely that a basket of currencies, including the US dollar, will emerge as the primary medium of exchange for international trade and finance. However, this transition will be gradual and fraught with challenges, requiring careful navigation by policymakers and financial institutions worldwide. By incorporating relevant data and figures, this analysis highlights the shifting dynamics of global currency usage and underscores the potential implications of a declining US dollar in an increasingly multipolar world. Like and subscribe.